Watch this snarky woman's unbelievable reaction while receiving her sentence.
The trial court certification that shows this
I
was...
would like to speak to a detective.
This woman was on probation for charges of injuring an elderly person while under the influence of a substance.
And Ms. Atkins is on probation for the third-degree felony offense of injury to an elderly person. That's started at May 23rd of 2022. There was a motion to adjudicate probation filed. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you.
With the help of the legal team, Judge Raquel West informed the suspect of her failing to commit to the recreational program and the necessary follow-up medications, in addition to attempting to contact the victim, which goes against society protection.
Was Ms. Atkins violating the condition the court had imposed that she not to have contact with Ms. Thibodeau for Ms. Thibodeau's safety? Yes.
Any questions about that? About the count? That's count 8 with the contact. Hold on.
Was not taking patients.
Well, it sounds like you had appointments that you missed that Ms. Cole made for you. What, did she go to regular Safe P or special? Hold on.
Special.
So she's already been to special needs Safe P. So that was a whole 6 months plus aftercare of drug and mental health help. So Ms. Atkins, the problem is you're being given all the opportunities. You had an appointment that Ms. Cole set for you, at least one. How many?
Yeah, but it's not for medicine. It's for psycho. I'm not a psycho. I don't have those problems. I mean, some people do that. No.
Well, you obviously we don't know what you need because you won't even go do the evaluation. That it sounds like you haven't been on medication that would be.
The unsurprising result was sentencing the victim to prison, but what she did to the judge almost made it 10 times worse for herself.
That Ms. Atkins is competent, understands the nature of the proceedings, and is then just really making a choice not to follow through with what programs have been given to you, Ms. Atkins, to try to help you. So at this time, I'm not worried about your community service. I'm worried about your mental health. And the fact that you're not doing what you need to, and you're still contacting the victim, and it's a serious case. And so I got to protect society, unfortunately, because you're not choosing to do the things that...
I was going to die, so I really didn't have much of a choice.
Okay.
It's my life in jeopardy.
I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 4 and 5 freely and voluntarily. Again, I'm finding counts 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8 true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty... Don't talk over. I'm about to sentence you to prison, and how you keep talking over me is about to start adding years onto that. Stop talking. It's just going to get worse. Do you understand? I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was...
I would like to speak to a detective.
This was not an agreement, and so you waived your right to appeal. I need you to sign that with her.
I gave you hospital papers. I gave her everything.
I'm also handed you...
I had a doctor's appointment and everything. That's what
I've got 5 more years that I could add on to that.
Oh, yeah.
I can give you up to 10. You need to stop talking so I can finish what I need to do, okay?
Thankfully, the judge was patient and kind enough to not add more years to the sentence.